Day 2 wrap, South Africa were crowned the 2017-2018 World Rugby Sevens Series champions after a dramatic final day in the final leg in Paris on Sunday. Fiji, who had a 7-point advantage over the BlitzBoks before the Paris Sevens began, just needed to reach the Cup's semifinals to win the overall series. However, in spectacular fashion, the Fijians only managed to finish 5th, meaning the BlitzBoks needed to win the Cup to win the World Series. After a nerve-wracking 15-10 win over Spain in the Cup quarter-final and 24-12 win over New Zealand in the Cup semi-finals, the BlitzBoks met England in the Cup final and Neil Powell's men showed their class with a 24-14 win in the rain to secure the overall title. More to follow. The final standings in the final: England v South Africa bronze final, Canada 5-38 New Zealand 5th place playoff, Fiji 28-10 USA Holland Trophy final, Argentina 33-26 Wales 13th place playoff, Kenya 21-20 Scotland Cup semi-finals, New Zealand 12-24 South Africa England 26-12 Canada 5th place semi-finals, USA 28-7 Spain Fiji 38-5 Ireland Challenge Trophy semi-finals, Argentina 24-19 Australia France 26-28 Wales 13th place semi-finals, Samoa 19-24 Scotland Kenya 26-14 Russia Cup quarter-finals, South Africa 15-10 Spain USA 7-33 New Zealand Ireland 5-19 Canada Fiji 17-19 England Challenge Trophy quarter-finals, Scotland 5-28 Wales France 19-7 Samoa Australia 14-5 Russia Kenya 12-19 Argentina movie camera bench reaction. What a moment! At BlitzBoks are you HSBC Paris Sevens winners and your HSBC World Rugby Sevens Series 2018 champions.